Hello and welcome to Fleet Assess. Today I'm going to do a walk around of a 2017 newly refurbished Lawrence David curtain sider. Starting with the front of the trailer, we have the height decal on the front in white, so it's a 4.68 metre overall trailer in size, and this operates on a sliding SUSI platform moving left to right, which will help when drivers are turning corners or parking up in tight spaces. On both sides of the curtains there are 21 curtain buckles and straps with a locking pin for safety. So this trailer is fully kitted out with a BPW drum brake system. It's also the super single tyres that are on here, fitted with the mud wings and the Fleet Assess decal spray flaps. This trailer is also fitted with a platform step system, which makes this easier for the drivers when they're getting in and out of the trailer for extra safety and protection. Moving on to the near side rear of the trailer, this is kitted out with a toolbox, which is needed for anything such as ratchet straps or anything that the drivers might need. This trailer is also fitted with full LED light systems across the whole of the trailer. Also a good feature on this trailer are the rear flat barn doors, which give you an unobstructed view of the livery of your choice. The rear doors are so easy to open, it's just two door handles like this. Another great feature on this trailer is the spring-loaded door retainer, which makes it easier and safer due to adverse weather conditions. So this trailer has a 3.1 metre side loading aperture, which makes it easier for stacking pallets or loading through the side with any cardboard. It also has no roof supports, which makes it also easier for side loading. There's 26 internal load straps that run through the centre of the trailer, 13 a side. There's also 26 deck rings as well. It's a non-slip floor and a hole in the front aerofoil to help with storing your internal straps. It's also fitted with ENXL rated curtains. With our refurb trailers, we can offer a bespoke package to suit your customer needs, whether it be the painting of the trailer, the curtain livery, or the rear barn door stickering. These trailers come with a full documentation pack. They have long MOT, good tyres, and are serviced and QC'd before they leave the workshop. These trailers are ready to go to work today.